Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today again I had come with another idea to make a placket within just 2 minutes. So let's quickly get started. So first of all you need to make this type of pattern in your fabric. Whatever length and width you want for your placket, just draw it with the help of pen and just give a straight cut and 2 side slits like this. Now stretch your fabric in a way to make it a straight line like this, and then whatever fabric you want for your placket, just make a strip and fold it 2 times and give it a press. Now put that fabric in the middle of that strip and place it like this. Now you need to give a straight top stitch, and you can see there are pleats in the middle of this pleat where we had given 2 side slits, so let it be like that. Now cut the rest of your strip, the remaining strip, and then give a straight stitch till the end. Now when you put your fabric in a normal way, it will look like this. Now you need to make the triangular pattern in the middle of this placket. So with the help of your fingers, put one finger in the middle of that placket and give a triangular shape by putting the strip inside like this. And now you need to give a stitch in the bottom of this triangular pattern. So just come 1 inch around upwards and give a top stitch to fix this pattern out in a triangular shape. You can see in the images, and after stitching your placket will look like this, and you are done with a beautiful neat and clean placket. I hope you understood this video very well. If you have any confusion, just comment down below. I'll answer all your questions. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.